guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So by the title of the video you already know that I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched MamaEarth oil control compact powders. They have launched these in 4 shades and these are a new addition to their color care range. Now MamaEarth color care range is basically their makeup line and I'm a huge fan of their makeup products. Whether it's their kajals or foundation or lipsticks, MamaEarth has nailed the formulation every single time and all the products are amazing, top notch. They perform really well and at the same time they are so affordable. They also contain skincare benefits and everything, so their makeup line is a huge hit. It's absolutely bomb, and if you haven't tried their products yet, please do that right away. They are amazing. You're not going to be disappointed. So when MamaEarth launched their compact powders, I had to buy all the shades to review them, swatch all the shades and give you my final verdict on them. So I haven't even opened them yet. I'm going to do that right now in front of you all. So once I open the box, that is what the actual compact powder looks like. And this is what it looks like from the inside. So it's got a mirror, then it's got this powder puff, and then that's the compact powder. So I'm just going to remove the film. Now the main reason why this MamaEarth compact powder is better than the other compact powders in the market is because this is free from talc. Now talc is an ingredient that is used in makeup products like foundations, eyeshadows, blush, compact powders, etc. And talc helps to get that silky finish on the product. It helps to absorb the excessive oils on your skin, but it's a very harmful ingredient for your body. If talc gets into your eyes, it can cause irritation in your eyes, it can cause redness and itchiness. Talc inhalation can also cause coughing, wheezing and a lot of other chest problems. So talc is a harmful ingredient for your body, and this MamaEarth compact powder is free from talc. Along with that, it's also free from other harmful toxins and chemicals, and it's a Made Safe certified product. So MamaEarth claims that this compact powder gives you 2x instant glow and it lasts up to 12 hours. So let's test the glow part. I'm going to be using this compact powder on only this side of my face, and then we'll be comparing both of the sides and seeing if there is an instant glow or not. So this is how my skin looks like up close. I'm going in with the compact powder, and as you can see I have some redness, some pimples and everything going on. So I'm just gonna... Whoa, do you see the coverage? It's got an amazing coverage. Let's see what it does for the dark circles. Oh my god, I am stunned. It's literally covered up my dark circles. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, so if you compare both of the sides, I can see a visible difference. Like this side is looking so much more glowing than this one, and the coverage is unbelievable. I have never come across a compact powder that gives such a high coverage. Like the coverage is so good. यहाँ पे जो redness थी, all of that is covered up. My pimple, which was so red, is not looking red anymore. It's just the bump that's seen, but the redness is gone, and dark circles भी मेरे completely cover up हो गए हैं. Like if you compare this side, you see a major difference. This is an amazing compact powder. Like coverage तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, and the glow is unreal. And when I'm touching my skin, it feels matte, but it doesn't feel dry. Like silky finish है. It feels smooth and matte, so it's a non-drying compact powder, and it's still gonna like mattify your skin and control the oiliness on your skin. So overall, a great compact powder, especially for oily skin, especially for the summer season. And moreover, this contains an SPF of 30, so it's also going to give you some sun protection. So amazing for the summers. Now I use compact powders for two purposes. I either apply it on my bare skin just to like mattify my skin and to provide some coverage, or I use it to set my base makeup in place, that is my foundation and concealer in place. तो bare skin पे तो आपने देख ही लिया how beautifully it works, but I'm also going to use this to set my foundation and concealer just to see how it performs. So foundation के लिए तो I'm going to be using the same MamaEarth Glow Serum foundation. This is one of my favorites, and I'm just going to apply it on this side of my face. Again, let me just zoom you guys in. And to blend that out, I'm using a foundation brush. This foundation is one of my favorites. Can you see the visible instant glow? Can you see how dewy my skin looks? Like this side looks matte and this side looks dewy. So if you want a like nice matte finish, you can go for the compact powder. If you want a dewy finish, you can just apply one layer of the foundation, and look at how beautiful the glow is. इसके साथ I'm also going to be using a concealer just under my eyes. So now that I have my base makeup, my foundation, concealer on, I'm just going to go in with the compact powder again, and I'm just going to like set it in place. Just dabbing the compact powder so that I don't end up moving my foundation. Actually, this is just how I apply the compact powder even on bare skin, and that's why you could see so much coverage. If you just swipe the powder, you'll have like a little lesser coverage. If you dab, it's going to give you amazing coverage. So by using the compact powder on my foundation, it has definitely increased the coverage, no doubt in that. It's mattified the dewiness, so it does work, and skin doesn't feel dry, doesn't look dry. No texture is emphasized whatsoever, so it's a very finely milled compact powder. Under eyes के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा, because we don't want any creasing. This is what my skin looks like with the foundation, concealer and compact powder on, and this is what it looks like with just the compact powder on. And if you compare both of the sides, the coverage is almost equal. Like you can't tell if I'm wearing like base makeup or not, and on which side I'm wearing it, which side I'm not wearing it. You just can't like differentiate. So the coverage is really good. This compact powder literally has the coverage of a foundation. It's more like a powder foundation to me, at least. So yeah, I'm absolutely in love with how this worked. The coverage, the finish, the glow, the everything, and it's a beautiful compact powder overall, and it's infused with vitamin C and turmeric, and I think that's the reason why the skin glows so much after applying this. It's also got an SPF of 30 PA triple plus, amazing amount of sun protection. So it's a really good compact powder to be worn like on its own, or you can also use it to set your base makeup. Anyhow you can use it. It works beautifully, as you just saw. It comes in 4 shades, and here are the swatches of all the shades. 01 Ivory Glow has more of a pink undertone and it's meant for fair skin tone. 02 Creme Glow has a neutral undertone and it's meant for fair to medium skin tone. 03 Nude Glow has a warm undertone and it's meant for medium to wheatish to dusky skin tone. And 04 Almond Glow has a cool undertone and it's meant for dusky to deeper skin tone. The shade range is good, but I wish MamaEarth adds more colors to this shade range. It will be more inclusive that way. It's a very affordable compact powder. It retails only for $499, and on top of that, if you use my coupon code RIA2022, you'll get a 20% off on this on MamaEarth's website and their app. Apart from that, you can also get this on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. However, I recommend you shop it from MamaEarth's website because every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a treat that they planned. And if you shop from their app, you'll be getting early access to sales and discounts, which means that you'll be saving on more money. So that was my review on MamaEarth Glow Oil Control Compact Powder, and my final verdict on this product is a big yay. I highly recommend you guys check this out. It performed beautifully and I'm sure to be using this a lot in my daily routine. So that is my video for today. If you enjoyed watching this video and if you found it helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below which other products do you want me to review. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram also. The direct link is mentioned in the description box below. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.